In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a monitor that goes black randomly in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button on your taskbar, then open the Settings app. Inside Settings, click on System from the left-hand sidebar, then select Display. Scroll down to the Related Settings section and click on Graphics. You should now be on the default graphics settings page. Look for options like variable refresh rate or game optimization settings, then toggle them off. Disabling these can help prevent random screen blackouts, especially during certain tasks. Next, click the Windows icon again and use the search bar to type Device Manager, then press Enter. Inside Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers, then follow the prompts to install any available updates. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can also open the NVIDIA control panel and review your display or performance settings there. If the issue still persists, click the search bar again, type Control Panel, and open it. Inside, click Hardware and Sound, then select Power Options. On the left-hand side, click Change when the computer sleeps. Set both Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep to Never. Then click Save Changes. This ensures your screen isn't turning off due to power settings. Next, check your physical connections. Unplug your HDMI or DisplayPort cable from both your monitor and your PC, then plug them back in securely. Loose or faulty connections can often cause random black screens. If the issue happens mostly during heavy tasks like gaming, it could be related to power delivery. In that case, lowering your GPU power limit using a tool like MSI Afterburner may help improve stability. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.